Hi everybody, my name is Buck. I'm with Fjallraven, and today I'm going to be doing a little demonstration on how to reapply the wax to your Fjallraven garment. What's really interesting is that Fjallraven uses this G1000 material, which is 65% recycled polyester and 35% organic cotton. And what's rad is that the pants come infused with this Greenland wax. And what's unique is that depending on the weather conditions that you expect to endure, you can actually reapply this wax and beef up the waterproof repellency by just rubbing on the wax right onto the garment. It's going to add a lot more durability to your pants, increase the timeline of how long you expect to have these pants. You can use an iron, a blow dryer. I'm using a heat gun. You can use a camp stove if you need to reapply the wax when you're out on the trail. And the heat just melts the wax and absorbs back into the G1000 fabric to increase the waterproof repellency. Hit the knees. I've waxed these pants top to bottom. Usually takes me about 10 minutes. Super easy. My name is Buck Rowley with Fjallraven, and this has been the waxing demonstration.